More than 5 million Americans are diagnosed with heart valve disease every year, and those with severe disease may need to get the valve repaired or replaced.
And Health Watch Shelley Botan shows us how surgery gave one grandma her life back.
Heart valves act as one-way doors, ensuring that blood only travels in one direction through your heart. When your valves aren't working properly, blood can return back through the valve and into the heart, and that can eventually lead to heart failure. Sandra Eklund enjoys manning the volunteer desk at Aurora BayCare Medical Center.
I feel like I need to do this. I have to give something back. Dr. Roitstein and this hospital gave me a whole new life.
Sandra has worked out most of her life, but a few years back, her routine had become more difficult.
And I thought it was my age. I was shortening my workouts.
Then 6 months ago, during some light exercise,
every breath was a struggle. Every step was a struggle. It was not my age. It was my heart.
Sandra was brought to an emergency room, then transferred to Aurora BayCare Medical Center and cardiovascular and thoracic surgeon Dr. Alex Roitstein.
She wound up being determined to have a valve that was leaking.
I was very, very surprised, simply because I thought I was getting old.
Blood was leaking through her heart's mitral valve, a condition that developed over time.
The picture of the heart not working right, leaking, creates a critical mass of disease that you can't overcome.
And since Sandra also had structural damage, Dr. Roitstein suggested valve replacement surgery.
The way we replaced her valve, we preserved most of the structure. And so we chose to go with a more quick operation.
Sandra was back to exercising right away and volunteering within 4 months.
I'm doing things I haven't done for years. I'm working out 5 days a week.
She's recovered well. She's back to being normal and gets her life back.
My family can't believe Grandma's transformation. I'm going to be 81, and I feel like I'm in my 50s.
Dr. Roitstein stresses that age should not be a barrier to heart surgery. If a person is in good health, they could benefit. To learn more, you can call Aurora BayCare or email HealthWatch at aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Shelley Botat, Local 5 News.